Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can know if Viver account is deactivated. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So just follow me guys and don't worry about anything. I'll be guiding you with a very easy step with very easy directions and all. So as you want to see if someone has deactivated the Viber account, what you need to do is firstly just go to your chats, just go to your Viber and then go to your chat and then search for the number or the account name. So let me just search, and when you search you can't find their number like this, so no matches found for 98 something like this. So that's how you see if the account is there or not, if the Viber account has been deactivated or not. So if you can't find it, that means the account has been deactivated. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.